it should be a kind of a good idea to come to big home center for weekends. Try to not to be dense in the shopping center, but this kind of the suburb home center is rather we have keep social distancing as they have a huge space inside and huge corridor inside, right? So what I've got here in Kainz today is that to buy the materials for air conditioning for summer. Alright guys, so let's get into it. Where am I? I'm at the Kainz home center. Kainz is the big home center and this is the suburb. So there is a huge space, huge corridor, huge shopping area inside the Kainz so that we could keep social distancing to shop. So it is kind of a practical and reasonable way to get your shopping materials during weekends of this time. And what I've got here today is the whole atelier, the summer, all of you concerned about how summer is hot in Japan, Tokyo, so that we need this kind of device. This is the device to prevent from hot heat, because the too much hot temperature directly comes to the machine for the air conditioning outside. Then this machine got hot heat very a lot, then they don't work really, right? So as we know from the last year, the summertime, it was hot. So this time I was looking for this kind of materials at the home center Kainz, and this is 1,000 yen. We've got this one. So the power of aluminium film on air conditioning machine, then we hope that this summer air conditioning works properly. Alright guys, even last summer we got the technician to check the air conditioning machine and it was all fine. So it was too hot the outside. That was the reason that the air conditioning didn't really work properly. So as we know the reason, only we could do is to prepare for this summer seminar is to get this kind of devices. Alright guys, so this is the preparation for summer, and now it's May, but of course as a study department, one of the staff of the study department, I came to look for the devices for the summer seminars at Kainz home center. Alright guys, so thank you very much indeed. We will see you in summer. Some of you concerned about the summer. It's gonna be very hot. So we've got this one from home center Kainz. So we are going to prepare for this summer's the Japanese hot summer coming June, July and August. And this summer we've got this Kainz prevention sunshine aluminium. So we put this on the air conditioning machine outside the atelier on 5th floor, so we're gonna prevent the too hot heat. Alright guys, so this is the item that we have this summer. Alright guys, so I'm preparing for the summer. This is K from study department. Today we have a lecture, but I'm here to prepare for the summer study seminar. So alright guys, have a good study and ciao. Arrivederci until next time. Have a good study. Ciao. Arrivederci. This is K from Home Center Kainz